actually the first time we've set up our restroom tent. It's the Wolfwise, comes up pretty quickly, it's pretty inexpensive. We did have one worry about this guy. It's kind of transparent at times, but honestly, when you need to use the restroom, it's nice and easy to set up. So
works. Little toilet.
So I was busy setting up camp and I worked a little too hard. Ripped my pants. It's day number 2. We are headed out on a trail run. We're just gonna check out the surrounding area. We're gonna see what it's all about out here. We just got done on the trail, day number 2. Had a lot of fun out here, got to explore what Arizona has to offer. We're gonna head back to camp and maybe get some food. We'll check in with you guys soon.
So what do we have for breakfast?
It's a Portuguese linguiça, baked potatoes on a cheddar jalapeno bun. I put queso fresco in there too.
That's what I know I'm going to have to work from now on.
That's what I said.
Awesome.
For a single line pull, it's pretty basic. Everybody generally has a knowledge of how that works.
All right, so we're gonna walk around and check out some rigs and some food and see who's all here. So here we have Ramon and his entrance into the cooking competition.
Don't forget, it's award-winning jambalaya.
He's gonna throw on his little Dutch oven here.
Now, what's worth noting is that I'm using bacon grease
All right,
because bacon goes good in everything. Right?
I agree.
I want to make this edible for people.
Yeah, it's either gonna be real good or
Real bad.
real bad.
What is this one? Dennis's famous chili. What is this?
Chuck wagon.
Chuck Wagon, huh? Heck yes.
Actually, Chuck box.
Chuck Box. All right, how's it going? You guys entering the cooking competition or? No.
They are, yes.
All right, hey, how's it going?
Good to see you.
Good to see you as well. Got Mr. Daniel 395 Junkie. What are you cooking up?
Actually, I don't want to steal my wife's thunder.
Okay.
Mexican tortilla soup.
All right.
The winning Mexican tortilla soup.
Looks delicious.
Thanks, bud.
All right, whose tortilla soup is it?
It's mine.
All right.
Don't let Daniel tell you otherwise.
How you guys enjoying the trip?
Like, American Adventurist is one of the best events because we get to meet all these cool people and just chill.
Don't do anything.
Yep. This is the Disco Scottle iCamper.
Just start cooking on it, you won't mind.
Little man. see. You know, we finally found the taco gang out here. Here we go. Whoop, whoop.
There's another one over there to the left.
I spy another taco. It's white taco season out here. How's it going? Pretty good. Did y'all enter the cooking competition or no?
Something over there.
All right.
I know.
All right. We're following the extension cord.
2000, maybe 16, we did a full pig.
Oh, wow.
The Acatio Wells out by Split Mountain Road.
Sweet.
We had the whole pig.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Awesome.
Way too much work.
Yeah.
Taco gang, another white one. Let's go. Woo!
Dennis, don't take it personal. Oh, this is theirs.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Pretty good. We caught you on the freeway on the 91. Yeah, we're right next to you. We knew where you were going.
Yeah, you know, I saw you and I knew where you were going.
Perfect. All right.
Is it? Look at that, Adrian.
For the dogs, yeah.
I love it. I love it.
No, that's actually for people. It's long.
Oh, I didn't see it.
It's like a cot. Always got the single.
See the start?
Thank you so much.
Oh my, look.
Going.
Whoop, whoop.
You're not having
Everybody's serving off.
It's starting now. If you don't have a plate, if you don't have a fork, you're wrong. Go back and get one.
Oh, I gotta go back.
Let's give these cooks a round of applause.
So, some of these have jalapenos in the bottom.
No, it's too late.
Who are these guys?
No go on the chili, man.
Oh no! No way!
I went in, I was like,
I had both of them taste. I tasted it.
Don't do.
The sauce is perfect.
Okay.
just the meat.
Go.
Really good.
Good? Good. Good.
All right. Thank you, sir.
So there's cans next to the dishes that are competing. You can put all three in one can or put one in three cans.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah.
You ready, sir? It's the aioli sauce, yes.
Mind if I have a little bit here? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it, of course.
Give you a little more chicken there.
So, sounds
We're
good.
the Patriot pot pie, number 15.
Okay. Perfect.
Well, we got all the wheelbarrows done.
There. Any dish that stood out to you there?
I like the chili colorado, and I like the chili was actually really good too.
The chili was really good.
was really good.
Red. Okay. The jalapeno taco was like
Oh, the jalapeno
The
was.
Korean tacos were a little different, but good. You know what I mean?
Very special.
So,
All right.
I didn't put anything on a plate that I didn't like.
Gotta get your honest reaction. What was the best plate out there?
It was the jambalaya.
Jambalaya number 18.
Number 18.
Shout out Ramon. Boom.
The Korean beef taco.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hit
Sand's annoying, but you could
He is.
Good, can't complain. So we're here camped out at the raffle, hoping for some good luck. Right.
1 pound.
Water bottle size bag, 1 pound.
Fat guy friendly.
Little pup.
You guys met somebody here that you didn't know before. Maybe they have a similar interest, and then people go on that trip later because they met at a rendezvous. That's one of the reasons that we do what we do. That's the grand prize at the raffle today. Some lucky winner is going to win a badass tent. First number, 988-0494. Boom. My setup. All tires, chair, jet blanket. 3, 6. Mario.
You made that wish on the shooting star last
Manifested it.
Who likes yellow gates? I hate yellow gates. So we're going to support Corva, we're going to support Tread Lightly, and we're going to support you by giving you a badass tent right now, 988-0403.
Burn it.
Shut up.
And that jambalaya was that good.
Hey. So how do you feel?
Oh my gosh, I want him to check the number.
Photo. Chad, you're the photographer.
American Adventurist Desert Rendezvous 2022 is complete. We had a good time, met great people, had some good food this weekend, a ton of great experiences. One for the books for sure. We'll check in with you guys on the next episode. Please like and subscribe.